kayo sa bus namin. Libreng sakay naman po to. So, enjoy na lang po natin tong trip na to papuntang Alabang. Yes. So, ayun, sana mag-enjoy din tayo sa mga laro. Excited na ako sa mga truth and dares na gagawin po natin. Thank you so much, guys.
Ayan, thank you so much, Heaven. Thank you so much, Mark.
Naranasan nyo na rin bang mag-commute? Ano yung hindi nyo malilimutang experience yung nung nag-commute kayo?
Ayan, syempre ang question ni Sir ay kung naranasan na ba ni Marco at Heaven ang mag-commute at ano yung hindi nyo malilimutang experience nung nag-commute kayo. Unahin natin si Marco.
Actually did. I did the MRT and the LRT, and the first years I was here in the Philippines, I was going to Batangas with a bus with my mom because I didn't have a vehicle yet at that time. I loved the MRT. I didn't think it was going to be, like, they always portray it so bad, but it really isn't. There's aircon. Yeah, it's pretty tight, but it's okay. It's not that bad. I wish it was just longer because it's pretty short. It's just, I wish there were more lines, which I found out that they're doing the one underground, right? They're working on that. Hopefully. I'm a big fan of the MRT, so hopefully they get that figured out here in Manila.
How about Heaven?
Yes, nakapag-commute na po ako. Pero siguro yung huling commute ko was 7 years ago, bago ako magsimula ng PBB.
Kaya ko na to kahit walang mic. So, pupunta po kami ng father ko sa may Mega Mall kasi may bus doon. Ang pagkakatanda ko, tama po ba? Papuntang Bulacan. And so, yung papa ko po kasi yung bahay nga nasa Bulacan. And every summer, ganun yung ginagawa namin, nagpo-bus kami. So, may mga times nakatayo lang kami, may mga ganung levels. Pero na-enjoy ko kasi kasama ko yung father ko nun eh. So, kahit mahirap, kahit mag-init sometimes, minsan naman okay yung aircon ng mga panahon na yun. Masaya, na-enjoy ko po. Nakapag-jeep din naman ako, nakapag-tricycle pa rin ako. Pag nasa Siargao po ko, yan, nagpo-commute lang din kami, tricycle lang. So, hindi po naman nawala talaga yung pagko-commute dahil nagsimula ako maging artista, hindi naman sa ganun. Ayun po.
Hey, thank you, Heaven.
Especially sa MRT, LRT.
Parang as a mandirigma po.
Yes.
Makipagsiksikan.
Oo.
Oo naman.
Yung nadadala kayo na kahit nakatigil kayo, napapasok kayo sa loob.
Opo naman. Minsan nga hindi syempre maiwasan yung, alam niyo, mahawakan or maano yung mga private cars. Kaya sa pagiging mandirigma ako, talaga nakaganon ako. Alam niyo, talagang hindi rin ako masyado nagsusuot ng mga revealing, kumbaga. Kasi ayoko na eh, iiwasan ko na lang. So, may mga times na ganun po. And usually, pag kahit ko naman sa ibang bansa na nagpupunta ako, nag-train ako, may mga instances, kumbaga, pero it's part of the journey. Wala, ganun talaga buhay. Pag, ikaw.
Yeah, I mean, they didn't touch me. The question was if they touch me on that.
Or like, may push ka or something.
It's normal. It's part of it. It's like you don't put too much weight on it. It's normal.
naka-red. Meron na... Ayan, truth or dare? Do you kiss in private?
Okay, there.
O dare daw. Sir, from 1 to 10, pili ka ng number, sir. Pili ka ng number between 1 to 10, 1 to 15, tapos yun yung magiging dare nila.
8.
Number 8. Next, ano ang number 8 natin na dare?
Number 8. Loudspeaker on. Randomly call your mom and say I love you. And let her hear how she reacts.
Ayan. Pwede ba natin gawin yun? I-randomly call nyo yung mom nyo, tapos papakinggan natin sa loudspeaker kung ano yung magiging reaction nila pag sinabi nilang I love you. Unahin natin si Heaven.
Kabay daw sa camera. Ayun.
Yes.
Okay to, hinahanap na ni Marco at Heaven. Tinatawag na? Ayan.
Ayaw ko sagutin ng nanay ko. Parang galing sa Iowa 65.
I just wanna say I love you.
Papahinga ka ha, uminom ka maraming tubig. Tsaka ano, tsaka sabi mo kina Ronald, abot ang palagi. Ano ha?
Ma'am! Ma'am! Mga dami mo na sinasabi. Tama na. Hindi, may dare lang kasi. Okay, love you. Love you, bye. Okay na talaga.
Ay, nakaka-tender naman si Mami. Very alagang-alaga. Ngayon naman, turn naman ni Marco. Baka natin kung ano yung reaction niya.
Parang kinakabahan.
Yeah, we're just. She's on another call. Wait. Just give me a second, sorry. I'm looking for her Filipino number kasi. Okay, there you go. One sec.
Before yan, pwede ba mag-stop muna kayo lahat? 1.
Ini.
Ciao, ma. Gusto ko lang sabihin na I love you. I love you.
Kailan mo to, pero sa estrano. Kita kede.
Okay, just to translate, she was like, "You're being weird. What happened?"
Perché? Tutto mi sei?
Mama, I'm on an interview.
Sei un interview, fammi vedere per la prova.
She's like, "Can I see?" No, ma, I can't. Okay. Okay, she's always like that. Okay, we just have this weird relationship. So, okay, she's probably calling. She's calling right now. She just wants to see you guys. All right, just say hi. Hold on, Mama.
Truth or dare? Unahin natin si Heaven. Truth or
Uy,
dare?
bakit ako yung nauuna dito?
Sorry, sige. Si Marco naman, si Marco.
Okay, there.
Dare,
na lang.
dare daw si Heaven. Pili ka ng number from 1 to 15.
Ha?
Gusto lang.
Sino nakakaaway ko?
Dare.
Si Marco. Pag medyo moody kaming dalawa. Pero other than that, dare na lang.
Dare.
Ayoko magsalita. Baka
7.
pag nagsalita ako, bumalik ulit yung
Number 7.
Number 7. Kuha nila.
Baka mabaaway ka din siya. Hindi, pero ano, do an impersonation of a celebrity. Yung sikat na artista or kilala mo artista na pwede mo i-impersonate.
Bakit ako?
Nag-truth siya eh.
Sinabi mo?
Yeah, I said the truth.
Ayoko na magsalita.
Wala talaga.
Okay. Grabe naman.
Sino kilala mo? question ay, when was your first kiss? Kailan yung first kiss? Not on screen.
Not on screen. On screen eh. On screen yung first kiss namin eh.
I think there. Okay, lagyan post.
I think
There daw. Anong number, Amiel?
number 12.
Number 12. Mix?
Tell us your cheesiest pick-up line.
Ayan. Oh. Your cheesiest pick-up line.
Oh my God.
Dirty yung mga makeup
Ako rin naiigan ko matutuma yung kahit sweet na.
Sige nga.
I can't say. Cheesiest.
Ah, oh my God.
I just invented.
Ano?
Langit ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi namamatay lagi ako.
Lang.
Ano ba yan?
Yeah, I just invented it.
How about you, Heaven?
Hotdog ka pa.
Hotdog ka ba? Laksan naman, laksan. Oh. Ulit, hotdog ka ba?
Hotdog ka ba? Naisip ko lang to ah. Sa cheesy ka. Wag na! Hindi ako magaling mag-joke. Kayo naman. Wala.
Dali na, gusto namin yung hotdog.
Kasi juicy ka.
Kasi juicy ka. Bakit juicy? Ano?
Tender juicy hotdog. Hindi kasi kumakain ko na ng hotdog kanina na.
Okay.
Tama na!
Oh, next question. Sino po? Oo, kung sino daw ang friend mo na ex mo?
Sino ang?
Friend mo na ex mo.
There!
There. Okay. Pili number.
10!
Number 10, Nix.
Number 10. Write Heaven Marcos name using your tongue.
Ayan. Isulat ang pangalan ni Heaven at ni Marco. So magkabaliktad, gamit ang dila mo.
Pwedeng may isa, pwedeng there pa ulit. Isa pa there, kayo naman. Girl, lalabas sa online.
Sige, next natin. Next. Ano pa? Anong number?
5.
Number 5, Nick.
A picture of Heaven Marco on your phone.
Ayan. Pipili kayo sa phone nyo ng best photo ni Marco for Heaven at ni Heaven for Marco sa phone nila. Pakita nyo yan dito. Izo-zoom nila yung mga phone nyo.
Okay, wait.
Okay, first, pipili mo na. Okay, unahin natin si Marco. For sure, meron na yung top of mind. Nasa favorites ba? Ganyan. Mga ilang oras pa po? Heaven, ano yung best photo ni Marco sa phone mo?
Ayan.
Okay, zoom po tayong lahat. I-zoom na yan. Oh!
Bakit?
Bakit yan daw yung best photo ni Marco for you?
Kasi siguro parang bigla ang alis lang namin to. Tapos nagkainan lang kami dalawa. And we found this parang cute bar resto. Tapos na hidden lang. So, yeah, it was a good night for us.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah,
Do you
right?
remember the name?
Yeah. I'll give it to everybody.
No. My best picture of heaven.
Hold on.
It was.
Wait lang.
My best picture of heaven was this date night we went on, and it was taken with a film camera, and then we just got it printed. You know, she says that when she smiles, she looks young and she has buffy cheeks, but I always find her beautiful when she's smiling. It's always better. I don't know. Rather than serious, she's super cute. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Zoom na yan, zoom.
But she was just super cute. Yeah. Anyways.
Ano yun?